What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. Okay, so this is for phones using iOS 17, but it may be the same for other phones as well. So what you need to do is go to your settings, select sounds and haptics, select ringtone, and then scroll down through the options and you can go ahead and change it to the one that you would like to. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.